The Dimatix material printer is located in room 311 of Building R, specifically in the analysis room. The first step is cartridge preparation. Insert the syringe tip into the fluid module and prepare it. Fill the syringe with ink and attach the filter. Then slowly inject the ink through the prepared fluid module. If you take out the syringe in the middle of the process, the ink inside the cartridge will rise up. It is important to only fill up to 80% of the cartridge. Cover the ink-filled module with a lid. It's important to firmly press and close it until you hear a clicking sound. To prevent contamination, tightly seal the inlet of the completed cartridge with parafilm and wait for a moment before installing the cartridge. Turn on the power to DMP and the monitor will be automatically on. Double-click the Dimatix Drum Manager software and click OK to run its initialization sequence. After the initialization is complete, open the lid and install the cartridge following the sequence as follows. Insert the cleaning pad to the hole. Remove the parafilm from the cartridge and thoroughly clean it with ethanol soaked in Chemtech. Insert the cartridge securely, ensuring that it's correctly aligned in the proper direction. Pull the cartridge holder latch forward until you hear clicking sound and close the lid. In this window, click Yes, select the cartridge type and proceed to Pattern Select. Press Select to choose any PTF file stored on the computer. Since it's only PTF files are recognized, press Edit to convert the BMP image to PDF. Select the BMP file that was previously saved on the USB through its path. Adjust the print size, quantity, and the other settings, then save the file as PDF on your USB and close the window. Press Select to choose the converted PDF file. Once the pattern selection is complete, turn on the drop washer and select the nozzle to use. First, press Calibrate Nozzle View and move the cursor to the first nozzle, which means the very right one, then press Next button. And move the cursor to the leftmost nozzle, then click Next. Click All On to observe the nozzle with the best flow rate. If the ink is not flowing well, you can press Run Now button to perform a cartridge head cleaning. When you close the drop washer window, the above window will still remain. You can edit the waveform, cartridge, and cleaning cycles respectively. Go to cartridge and specify the nozzle observed with the drop washer. Afterwards, configure other elements and save the cartridge settings to the USB through the above path. Exit the cartridge settings and click Next to set substrate, thickness, and temperature. Then turn on the vacuum and carefully align the substrate with XY axis of the plate. Check if the substrate is absorbed well onto the plate. If it's not well absorbed, use the tape to support it. Close the lid and click Next to go to the Print Setup menu. First, press the Select button in the cartridge setting to choose the cartridge settings that were saved earlier. Double-check if the desired settings are correct, and then click the Print button. After the printing process is done, you can use fiduciary camera to inspect the printing quality. Move the XY axis and adjust the focus to observe the printing quality. capture the image and save it. Once observation is complete, close the fiduciary camera window. From now on, here's the procedure to turn off the machine. Turn off the vacuum and remove the substrate. Then close the lid. Click on the Replace Cartridge tab. When the next window appears, remove the cartridge and cleaning pad. Then turn off the Dimatix Drop Manager software. Then turn off the power of Dimatix machine. Afterwards, store the removed cartridge and cleaning pad properly. Thank you.